welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only WandaThaGoddess. So today we're doing a chit chat get ready with me for girls night out. So if you want to see this look, stay tuned. So I don't know where this, I don't really remember where I got this wig from, but I know it's trash. But I'm just wearing this for tonight because I want to go with a straight look. So I'm just going to pop this on really quick. And then we're going to get into our makeup. Okay, so I'm about to do these brows. Yeah, I'm about to do this off camera. I always use this on my face because I am very oily. Just gonna put a little bit on. I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. Yeah, because while this is still sitting, I'm gonna go with my Juvia's Place. This is the only eyeshadow I really do. I don't really know what I'm wearing, but we just won't go with the flow, so it's okay. First, we want to go in with this. Hope you see. Go in with this brown color. Nobody else was playing. I gave you the shirt off my back. What you saying to keep you warm? I'm gonna go with this color. I'm gonna go in my milk primer. Okay, I don't know what foundation I want to use because it's kind of hot. Well, I'm gonna do the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm in the shade Cappuccino. So this was supposed to be a chit chat get ready with me, and I'm not even chatting. It's so rude. Hold on, let me find a brush first. Yeah. But yeah, I'm trying to gird these straps. Damn. Trying to get more into my social media, just be active more on YouTube and all that. Just trying to find my flow, if that makes sense, and what works best for me, because that's where I'm stuck at, trying to find my flow. I know I should be uploading more, but I don't, because the whole uploading once a week, well, that's what I was doing, once a week, nah, that's not cutting it. I need to be uploading at least 2 to 3 a week, but I be running out of ideas. Like, I don't know what I want to post, so that's why I haven't. But yeah, just trying to find my flow, what works best for me. And then at the same time, I started getting like unmotivated, and I'm like, damn, like, you unmotivated already? But I don't know, I'm gonna try to do better. Like, girl, just life been happening. These strikes about to get on my damn nerves. I'm gonna get back better with posting. I've been getting very motivated this week. I've been watching podcasts. I've seen a few people's lives, and they were just talking about engaging, and I was just like, this is what I needed to see. This is what I needed to hear. So yes, I'm gonna get back motivated and post more. I got some content coming up, and yeah, because you know, I was doing it for a little bit and then I stopped, and that's not good. Like, I don't like that, because I actually like doing this. My e.l.f. concealer, this is in the shade Deep Olive, but I think I'm gonna mix it. Yeah. Then on top of being unmotivated, I was like, oh, I really want a camera. But then I'm like, girl, how you gonna buy a camera and you don't even be posting like that? Like, make it make sense. Girl, I just be getting on my own nerves. Like, my own nerves. Going with Toffee, LA Pro. Yeah, and then I think, like, I was in a funk, like a bad funk. Like, it was just weird. It was like, it was just so weird. Like, I didn't want to do anything. Like, I would work, and then as soon as it's time for me to log off of work, I would just do nothing. Nothing. When I was supposed to be studying more for my YouTube, creating content, planning things, I didn't do anything. I watched YouTube videos, but that was all. Like, I didn't do anything. Wasn't posting on Instagram. Like, it was just bad. And I was like, girl, that's not even you. I'm not going to contour too much, but I am going to set everything, because I want like a natural beat, but still cute. This is Fit Me in a shade Deep. So while that's sitting, I'm gonna do eyeliner and lashes. So that's why I'm finally out my little funk. Well, if I wasn't, I was going to make myself get out because I ain't got time. So, I'm going out tonight for some drinks and some hookah. And just catch a vibe. Like, I just need to be out. Like, around people. Kind of sort of mingling. But just around people and be out and listen to some good music. And yeah, it's just to clear my mind. Oh my gosh, that my damn mind. Okay, I'm gonna pop my lashes on and be right back. I'm back. If y'all only knew how long it took me to pop these lashes on, oh my god, this one's giving me problems. Let me wipe this off. I hate when I do my makeup and my nose starts running. Like, come on. It'd be the cheekbone for me. I'm gonna go with Morphe. Urban Decay. All Nighter. Ooh. Because I need my makeup to stay. Okay. Pressed powder. The MAC. I didn't have this for so long. This is the Prolong Wear in the shade Dark. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I just been like in a really funk. I don't know why or what was going on, but it was bad. But you know, I'm back. About to be dropping videos. Like July, oh, it's about to be a takeover. Period. I got try on hauls coming. I done ordered so many clothes. Girl, I don't know where I'm going, but I done ordered clothes. And oh my gosh, y'all really loving my pretty little things in the little Shein haul. I just appreciate y'all because it's doing numbers. Okay, I still don't know what I'm about to wear, but I'm about to, when I come back, then I'll do my lips. No, I could just do my lips now, because, yeah. And I need to fix this. It look a little dark. My lips, brown pencil. This Chestnut by MAC. You know. This is Madeline. And I'll probably run a flat iron through my hair. But I already did this off camera. But she got her lips on. yeah, I'm about to figure out what I'm about to wear, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do our fragrance, you know. Stay tuned. Be right. Okay, so we back for the final look. And you see I changed the lip. Yeah, we're going with red tonight. So, yeah, and then I'm gonna show my full outfit in a minute. But girl, my shirt done got makeup on it already. And I'm not changing because I done changed 3 times. Like, yeah. But this just what it is. Oh, okay. I did put on some highlight. You know, I know I love the glow. Look at my nose, glowing. But yeah, my fragrance tonight, if you don't know, now you know, I love travel sprays. So I got the YSL Libre. I'm gonna get the big one once this is done, because if you haven't smelled this, you might want to. It smells so good. Oh yeah. We about to get us a man tonight. I'm just joking. Just jokes. And I'm gonna show the final look in a minute. But if you want to see more content from me, just let me know in the comments. If you made it to the end of this video, as always, I appreciate you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Okay, this is really ghetto, but I'm like running out the door. So I hope you can see me. What is that? Forever 21 top, Fashion Nova jeans, you know, my favorite new heels, Shein, my purse is from Shein, the jewelry is Shein, and I'm out of ghetto.